You are welcome to ABC Creative Art TV. Please join me in this art tutorial as we draw with charcoal a riverine area. Let's ride on. I am drawing on a piece of A4 white paper, which I fixed to my drawing board with a transparent sellotape. I have a cutting board for blending the charcoal in some areas to create various visual effects. Examples: distance, mass, reflections. Let's continue. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel ABC Creative Art TV for amazing learner-friendly art tutorials on video every week. Do also drop your comments. Please help us to share this video with your family and friends so as to watch and also subscribe to our channel for a weekly update on our activities. Thank you so much. After watching this art tutorial on video, please get your own art materials and create your own drawing. You can do it. A riverine area charcoal drawing on paper is getting set. Please like the video. Subscribe also to our channel ABC Creative Art TV for exciting learner-friendly art tutorials on video every week. Drop your comments in the comment section. We would like to have a feedback from you. Please help us also to share this video with your family and friends so that they can also watch our drawings and subscribe to our channel for a weekly update. From all of us at ABC Creative Art TV, we say thank you for watching and subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye.